Dancer's pose, or Natarajasana in Sanskrit, is a standing balancing posture that builds both strength and flexibility. It is most commonly practiced in vinyasa classes. Standing on one foot, the yogi claps the other foot behind them in a bow shape. From Tadasana, inhale, raise your hands and place it at your hips. Exhale and lift the right foot near the buttocks. Clasp the ankle with the right hand. Inhale and reach the left arm forward. Exhale and stretch the right leg up and back, lifting the toes as high as is comfortable. Breathe while balancing in the pose. Press the standing foot big toe into the mat. This helps you engage the inner thigh. Other toes are spread out. Engage the muscles of the standing leg and send the energy from the standing foot all the way towards the hips. Keep the hips as level as possible. While the right leg kicking to the back and the right hand holding onto the ankle firmly. This resistance will keep the spine upright and the chest facing to the front. The left arm remain lifted at a comfortable level and also as a form of balancing. The eyes should remain gazing at one point to find balance. Exhale. Release from the posture. Inhale, hands by the hips. Exhale, back to Tadasana. Advanced practitioners can practice Natarajasana with both hands catching onto one foot. From Tadasana, inhale, hands at the hips. Exhale, bend the left leg. Left arm extend behind, face the palm towards the ceiling and catch the top of the foot. The four fingers stay at the top of the foot and the thumb is at the base of the foot. Take a deep inhalation to extend the spine more. Exhale, gently kick the left leg to the back and extend the left arm to shoulder level. Rotate the shoulder and point the elbow to the ceiling. Inhale, lift your right arm up, reach to the back and catch onto the left foot. Walk the hands closer towards the ankle and gently kick your left leg up higher into your full dancer's pose. Press the standing big toe foot down into the mat. Firm up the standing leg. Send the energy from the standing foot all the way towards the hips. Both chests are facing forward. Keep the head in between the arms. Raise gently the top leg, kick up higher while the hands still holding onto the foot. As this is a deep back bend, release slowly. Exhale, lower down the left leg. Inhale, hands by the hips. Exhale, back to Tadasana. For more advanced, the foot will touch towards the head. Inhale, staying tall. Exhale, bend your right foot. Catch onto the foot with the right hand. Right shoulder, exhale, rotate. Inhale, left arm up, reach for the top of the foot. Walk closer to the ankle. Look into the front for balance, chest facing forward. Inhale, kick higher. Then exhale, bring the foot towards the head. Stay very firm onto your standing leg. The head also lean back to bring it closer towards the top leg foot. While the eyes are looking towards the ceiling, the balancing here will be much more challenging. So bring more attention towards the standing leg, keep it more firm. Breathe while balancing in a pose. As this is a deeper back bend compared to the first one, when you exhale, release slowly. Inhale, hands by the hips. Exhale, hands aside back to Tadasana. For beginners, practice this pose with a strap. Bind the foot twice to keep in its position. Inhale, standing tall. Exhale, lift up the right foot, the right palm, holding on a strap with the palms facing the ceiling. Bring the hand close towards the ankle while holding on a strap. Inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, right shoulder, exhale, rotate, and bring the hand behind one time. Stay in this position, holding on to this. Or go deeper, kick the leg behind some more, and lift with the arms. Stay comfortable in this position. And the eyes keep their point to find balance. The arms are hugging in, but away from the ears. The top leg kicking to the back, while the arms holding on a strap, gently resisting it. Exhale, release the right leg down slowly, while still holding strap. Inhale, back to Tadasana. This is the front view with the strap. Bind the foot twice to keep it in place. Inhale, standing tall. Exhale, bend your knee and raise your leg up. Shoulder exhale rotated. Catch onto the strap with the hand as well. Exhale, kick leg higher. Inhale, hold the hands closer towards the foot. Stay here in comfortable breathing. In a dancer pose, it is important to keep both chests facing forward and the arms are at same level. This will keep both our body equal length. So you can remain standing balanced onto one leg. Exhale, release. Inhale, back to Tadasana.